Hi, and welcome back to the Ninox programming training series. We're going to continue our discussion of functions by looking at text functions. In our previous class, we looked at how to manipulate numbers. In this class, we're going to look at how to manipulate alphabetic, special characters, and digits that are represented as non-numeric values. I have a simple text string here, and this is in a text field. The first set of manipulations or text functions that I want to look at deal with the case of the text. The upper function takes a single parameter and allows us to convert all of the characters, all of the alphabetic characters in that parameter to uppercase. Similarly, the lowercase function or lower allows us to convert all of the alphabetic characters in the parameter text string to lowercase. And then finally, we have standard case, which looks like this. In standard case, the first letter of each word in a text string is capitalized with all of the following letters represented in lowercase. To apply standard case to a text field, we use the capitalize function. Capitalize in all lowercase, and then the text string to be manipulated. These three case functions allow us to standardize the appearance, the case structure of a particular text field when standardization is important. And standardization is particularly important when you are searching for information and upper and lower case might make a difference. The next set of functions that we look at are the substring function. This is the ability to extract a part of text out of the value in a text field. The format of the substring function is the same every time, and it takes three parameters. The first parameter is the text string we are going to manipulate. The second parameter is the starting position of what we want to extract. And the third and final parameter is the number of characters that we want to extract from the text string. It is very important to remember that Ninox is a zero-based system. So when we ask to extract the first four characters of text string 1, what we're going to get is the first, second, third, and fourth character, where the fourth character is a blank. This is why when requesting the first four characters, we only saw 3. The fourth one was the blank. But as I said, Ninox is a zero-based system. So when defining the starting position, we start our count at 0. This is position 0. The second character is in position 1. The third character in position 2. This blank is position 3. And this character is in position 4, even though it's the 5th character in the string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th character, but the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4th position. We can manipulate our substring to get the first set of characters, the last set of characters, an intermediate set of characters. Here we see that we want the last 4 characters. To get the last 4 characters, we're going to have to do a calculation or use a function inside of the substring function. Remember, the first parameter is the text string we are manipulating. The second parameter is the starting position in a zero-based count. Now we know we want the last 4 characters, but since the value of this field could change at any time, we don't know the position of the 4th from the last character. We only know we want the last 4. So this function, length, tells us how many individual characters there are in this text string. So this is basically saying go all the way to the last text character in the text string and then back up 4 positions. That is our starting position, and then give me the 4 characters starting in that 4th from the end position. And that's how we can get SITY out of this text string. We went to the very end, backed up 4 positions, and then extracted the last 4 characters starting in this position. Keep in mind you can combine functions. So we might want to standardize what we extract by saying we want all uppercase of what's being extracted. Or maybe we want all lowercase of what is being extracted. And this will give us results that look like this. Finally, we may want to convert a series of text characters into a series of objects. We see that we have used the split function to take every individual character in our text string and turn it into a unique object in a comma-separated list of object values. And we're going to learn a lot more about arrays in class 122 of our learning series. So these are our most common text functions: controlling capitalization, extracting portions of text out of a larger text string or series of textual values, and converting text into individual objects which we then may want to manipulate for purposes of security, check values, or any other number of options that we have when working with arrays. In our next class, we'll complete our study of functions by looking at the date functions. I'll see you there. Visit us at www.nioxis.com. Here, you can learn about different Ninox solutions. You can get tech support through our Ninox help desk, which is available 7 days a week, or you can schedule private one-on-one concierge sessions for training, or we can help you build your application. And if you haven't done so already, sign up for our free Ninox Learning Lab. We do this every Thursday at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. in the UK, 6 p.m. Central European Time. These free hour-long sessions enable you to learn more about Ninox, features, functions, and solutions. We have open Q&A where you can get answers to all your Ninox questions, and you can meet other members of the global Ninox community. We look forward to seeing you there.